Bibi Mati, hindi na po siya makapag-antay. Kinikilig na. Guys! Gabi na pala dito. Nag-5 si Mati. So, meron kaming mangga guys. Hinog na siya. Bumili kasi ako ng 3 piraso nung isang araw. Tapos ngayon hinog na. Kinain na namin yung isa. Tapos ngayon hinog na yung isa naman. So, bubuksan na natin to guys. What's this? Mango! Mango! Wow! We will open. What will you say to mommy? Please! Say mommy. Can you open please? Favorite po to ni Bibi Mati guys. Ayan, buksan na natin siya. Don't touch, okay? You got a bubo if you touch it. Wow, sobrang hinog na guys. Oh, grabe. Ayan siya guys. Ayan. You have to wait for mommy. Okay. Ayan siya guys. Oh. Kakain dito si Habi guys. Yummy? Is it yummy, mama? Yummy. Mango. Yum? It's good. Kain tayo guys. Tamis niya guys. What's that? Can you give to them also? Can you share to them? You want? Wow, bravo. Yum? Ito yung favorite na part ko guys. Yung buto. Si Mati rin nakikikain rin dito sa buto na to. Bye guys! Thank you so much for watching! With flying kiss with Mati! To all titas out there!